Hi, my name is Nathan. I think you know that, maybe, I don't know. This is G1, right?
Yep.
G1 Thundercracker. Comes with fist stickers. If you want to join, just come in. If you want to join, just come in. These are his fists that you attach. I'm going to put them in.
Show it to the camera.
Nice shade of blue.
Is it better than Starscream?
Yeah. You want me to go show you my Starscream?
Yes. Put them side by side so the people can see what they look like.
Okay.
Right now, the commercial will be in progress. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na. You should buy 3DS. Next commercial. Nice, good cookies. Get it at stores. Maybe you like icebreakers. I ate them all. Wait, no. 2 more. Maybe you like mints.
They're called lifesavers.
Lifesavers.
Okay, bye-bye. Come on over here. And here's my Starscream.
G1 Starscream. G1 Thundercracker. They look so good together.
This is Thundercracker and this is Starscream.
Now you need Skywarp.
Yeah. Then I finish all of it. And then I need Megatron.
Yes, you do. You happy with your toys?
Yeah. Stop it, man.
But you know you need Soundwave too, you know.
I know, he's awesome. So these are them together. Who do you think will win? Tell us in the comments. And then we will see who do you think will win. Thundercracker or Starscream.
You gotta transform them?
Yep. What one do you want me to transform first?
Now?
Yeah.
Thundercracker.
Okay. And then Starscream.
3 hours later.
No.
4 hours later.
No. Oh yeah, arms. That's Ethan's game. Ethan lost, right?
I won.
Oh, how?
What do you mean?
How?
Yeah, I want 10 gold.
There he is right now. Wait,
Dude, I haven't lost in so long.
how?
I don't know.
Just lose once, man.
No.
Why? Because you're on a streak, legend.
Yeah, and if I lose gold.
Wait, what are you in the hand? When you fight the hand?
Yeah.
Oh.
Even though I got all the hand trophies. Get back here. Hey, I'm getting that Pokeball.
Okay, speed up the transformation.
Okay.
Kill him. Kill him.
He's almost done.
Now the
Why? I don't
wings.
like you.
Huh?
Yeah. Boom.
And while I am transforming him, Ethan will do a commercial with his game.
Okay. Da-na-na-na-na,
I said with your game.
Oh. Da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, Super Smash Bros. Da-na-na-na-na.
He hasn't lost in so long.
Next
Tell them about
commercial.
your streak. Tell them about your streak.
So, it all started like this. I wanted tons of trophies, and I started playing, and in one day I got 17 trophies. And then the next day I got a much more. And I was on a streak of winning. And I just won. And won and won. Won.
What day is it today, Ethan?
I don't know. July 24th, my birthday.
How old are you?
10.
Wait, you're 10?
Yeah.
Okay, transformation complete.
Let's see. You gotta put the wings down. That's not how his wings go. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Signing out.
Here's Starscream.